loving it. Actually, I must tell you that when Raj offered me the film, I said, no way, I can't do this. This is outrageous. This is hilarious, yes, but I just couldn't see myself playing someone so loud and even crude, if I may say so. She's, you know, bordering on the crude. But I'm glad he convinced me to do it. I've just had so much fun doing the in-your-face thing, whether it's with the clothes or with the attitude. And yeah, I'm hoping everyone enjoys her and enjoys the film. The craziest thing I've done, crazy in a good way, is Ghan Chakkar.
I think the craziest thing is roaming around like this in this city. I thought this is going to be only for one day of shooting, but eventually it kind of lingered on. I've traveled in local trains in this, and I'm looking like a freak in the film. But everyone has seen me wear this, and I think the laziest thing, I think there are a lot of lazy things that I do. I think this song is a tribute to practically all the men. You know, after a hard day's of work, we're like back home, and I'm back home, and we want our popcorn, we want our plasma TV, and we want to just sit back and just laze around. I think men are very good at doing that. Like I said, very lazy. You know, obviously have chosen this profession. I thought it's going to be easy. That was also a lazy move of mine. But that didn't turn out very well. I realized that acting has a lot of work, but then I had to stick by. So that my career decision of being an actor also was a very lazy decision, because I used to see films and I was like, that's easy. You know, you probably get on set, you say dialogues and you leave, and here I am. This is hard work. So yeah, that's pretty much the laziest decision I've made, and pretty much everything. I look for shortcuts in most things. So I don't like any long route to any particular destination. I like to look out for the shortcut.
नहीं, मैं कुक बिल्कुल नहीं करती, पर घन चक्कर के लिए मैंने बहुत कुक किया, और इमरान ने मजा उठा के खाया बहुत बार.
थोड़ा ज़्यादा नमक डालती हैं खाने में. थोड़ा ज़्यादा, थोड़ा.
I trained a little bit for the Punjabi accent because इसके पहले मैं पंजाबी कभी बोली नहीं हूँ. तो सुमीत जो एक राइटर भी हैं, उन्होंने मुझे ट्रेन किया. मैं उनके साथ डायलॉग्स बोला करती थी. पहले गालियाँ सीखी. That's the easiest way to learn any language. So I did that, and I wanted to be comfortable with it because, you know, this character had to be so loud. I didn't want that to pull me down. तो बहुत मजा आया.
I think कुछ काम होते हैं रात को जब टीवी कोई लेजी लाइट देखता है. कुछ काम उसके बाद होते हैं. उसके बाद थोड़ा एक्टिव होना पड़ता है. उन काम के बारे में मैं अभी नहीं बोलूँगा आपसे. आप गेस वर्क कर लो आप. तो जैसे आपने मेरी फिल्में देखी, I'm extremely active in my films and my personal life.
No, I think the fantastic thing about Neetu, the character, is that she's unapologetically herself. You know, she believes that she's the most fashionable.
Well, I think एक बहुत ही odd couple है इस फिल्म में. I think जो characters हैं, इनका जो mannerisms है फिल्म में, it's completely juxtaposed, quite the opposite. But फिल्म में दिखाया गया है कि शादी के बाद अक्सर बहुत सारे झगड़े होते हैं. You don't see eye to eye with many things, but at the same time बहुत सारा प्यार है. There's a lot of chemistry. And in the night she makes me wear this this red. She orders me actually to wear this, and I can't say no.
It's very
What's interesting is that it's a comic thriller. So normally you see a comedy or you see a thriller, but the way he's married these two, he's keeping you on the edge of the seat, and then you're falling off because you're laughing.
Yeah.